So hey guys, iMAT here, and today I've got my hands on a sports smartwatch under $50, the Weofly Curve Smartwatch. So inside the box, you will get the user manual to get you started with all of the functions. Then we get the Weofly Curve Smartwatch powered by the Weofly operating system, and in the end we get this box inside it, which has the magnetic charging cable. Before moving further in the video, if you're new to the channel, I would really appreciate if you can hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for the future videos. So let's take our first look on the smartwatch, and here it is. Overall it is looking quite good. It has a very decent and minimalistic look. The size of the smartwatch is also quite good, and here is how it looks like on the wrist. It has a very simple look. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments. And as you can see here, it is using 22mm straps which are removable, and you can easily remove them and use any 22mm straps here. So the glass on the top has curved corners, and we have a 1.43 inches AMOLED display here with a screen resolution of 466 x 466. The AMOLED display adds great purity to the colors, and overall the saturation and the vibrancy looks quite good. And not just that, since it is a true AMOLED display, so it won't emit light from the black areas in the dark, which will help you in providing a good battery life, as all of the UI is designed according to that. Then we get a crown key here which can also be clicked, and we have a side key which can be used to access the sport modes. The overall navigation is quite straightforward. We have the control center, split screen, quick access applications, and the notifications. After that we get 4 built-in watch faces inside it. You can also install additional watch faces in it. For that you will have to use the Weofly Fit application. So here we have the dial market which contains a lot of watch faces inside it, and all of them are available for totally free. So you can choose any of the category and choose the watch face you like. And as far as I have checked, you can install 3 watch faces from the dial market. Other than that, you can also choose to install a picture from the gallery. For that, head over to custom dial. You can tap here to choose a picture from the gallery, and then scroll down, and after choosing a picture you can change the clock position from here. And now if we talk about the screen time, so to adjust the screen time you will have to go to settings, then go to display and brightness, and here we have screen time. It can be a maximum of 15 seconds, and after 15 seconds of inactivity the display is either going to turn off or turn on the screen of dial. To activate the screen of dial or the always on display option, go to display and here go to AOD. So we have 2 always on display styles available here, one with the pointer and one with the digital clock, and whichever one you choose, you can choose its duration here. To keep it turned on for the whole day, you will have to set the same time for start time and end time, and then the screen of dial can stay on for the whole day or until the battery runs out. Talking about the gestures, it comes with the raise to wake gesture to turn off the display or to turn it back on. Using the watch application, you can also activate SMS as well as app notifications, and in the app notifications section we have the other option, which means even if an application isn't listed here, it can still send you the notifications for it. When you receive a new notification, it does not wake up the display, but it shows a full screen prompt when you turn on the display. If you go to the notification center, here is how it looks like. Unfortunately, it does not support scrolling in the notifications, and as far as I have checked, it also does not support emojis. Then we have the phone notification, and not just that, you can also activate Bluetooth calling from here. It rings as well as vibrates, and also shows the name of the caller without syncing the contacts. After accepting the call, we have the sound adjustment and the mute option, and you can hang up the call from here. Not just that, using Bluetooth calling, you can also access the voice assistant directly in the smartwatch. So let's check it out. How's the weather today?
Expect some clear skies today. Daytime temperatures will hover around 28 degrees, with overnight lows around 19.
And the voice is clear and the volume is loud enough to be heard properly. You can also control the media playing on the device using the watch, but it might shift the sound to the smartwatch. To get rid of it, what you can do is go to settings, and here go to sound and vibration and turn off phone audio. After that, you can control the media playing on the device, and the sound will continue to play on the smartphone. Other than that, you can also sync your favorite contacts in the smartwatch and add up to 100 commonly used contacts, and you can also turn on automatic health monitoring. The smartwatch supports a few number of languages, and these are all of the languages supported by the smartwatch. And since a lot of you ask, if you go to the profile section, you can also connect it with Apple Health, but it cannot connect with Strava. And after connecting the smartwatch with the application, you can also push weather updates to the smartwatch. It shows a lot of information here, and also the weather for the upcoming days. So in the application we have the home tab where you can check out all of your health data, and we also get the sports tab here. So the smartwatch comes with a lot of workout modes inside it, and whichever one you want to choose, you can tap on these 3 dots if you want to customize the time, calorie or distance target, or you can start without any target. So I'm gonna choose indoor walk here and check it out. So I'm gonna tap on go. If I check the values on my iPhone 16 Pro, and if you go to steps, Currently it has noted 905 steps for the day, and there are no steps recorded from 7 to 8 p.m. So let's try it out. So I am back now. Let's end the workout. So I'm gonna go back and end it. And if you scroll down and check out the data reported here, so the duration was 6 minutes and 23 seconds, distance was 200 meters, and then it has recorded 276 steps. If you go to the health application here and go to the steps here and for the day, and it has recorded 254 steps. So the accuracy is quite good in my opinion, considering it was just indoor walk and quite casual walk in my opinion, as I was just taking a walk in the TV lounge. According to that, the accuracy is really good. It also recorded the average steps per minute, then average stride, average pace, as well as the average heart rate. So the pedometer worked quite well. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments. We also have the daily activity application, which stores all of your pedometer data for the whole day. Other than that, we also have heart rate and blood oxygen level checker, and these are probably the only applications I would trust in a smartwatch, as most of the smartwatches claiming to have blood pressure are probably showing just reference values and do not work accurately. So let's test it with the oximeter. Before that, let's test if it has the wear detection or not. I'm gonna place it on the table and try the heart rate checker. So as of now, the sensors are not working, which makes me believe that it has wear detection and will only measure the data when it detects your skin at the back. So I'm gonna move my fingers here, and you can see that the sensors have started working the right moment when I place my fingers at the back. So let's test it out. So as you can see here, the values are quite accurate. They are moving with the oximeter. When the values go high on the oximeter, the value increases on the smartwatch as well, and when it goes down on the oximeter, it goes down on the smartwatch as well, which makes me believe that it comes with real sensors and it has passed my oximeter test. If you check the blood oxygen level checker, then currently according to the oximeter, my blood oxygen level is a little low. It is at 94% since I just came back from the indoor run, but now I'm in the room and it is recording 97 to 98% blood oxygen level value, and the smartwatch is also moving values with the oximeter, which makes me believe that even the blood oxygen level sensors are accurate inside it. And other than these applications, we also have the sleep tracker inside it. I tested it one night and it actually worked quite well. We also have breathing exercise. You can adjust the time as well as the speed on the breathing training. This application is quite underrated and not a lot of people actually give a damn about it. But in my opinion, we should use breathing exercise to stay fit and healthy. And the smartwatch also comes with the stress checker. So it has shown 53 value here. If you scroll down, according to it, I am normal. Thank God, I'm not stressed at the moment. Other than these applications, you can also add alarm directly in the smartwatch. So let's set an alarm. You can also select the days if you want to repeat it, and now it is turned on. Let's wait for it to ring. So here's how the alarm is shown. Unfortunately, it is not ringing for me, it is only vibrating, but we have the snooze and the close option here. We also get stopwatch here. You can tap here to start it and tap here to add as many laps as you want, and while the stopwatch is running, you can also take a look at all of the laps. Let's see if we can go back. Yes, we can, and the stopwatch will continue to run in the background, which is a must option in a sports smartwatch. We also get timer with some predefined times here. You can scroll all the way down to set time according to your need. So let's try it out, and when the timer ends, it starts to vibrate but it does not ring. We also get calculator here with the basic functionalities like multiplication, division, subtraction and addition inside it. And these were all of the applications. And if you talk about the battery life, so as advertised, it comes with a 300 mAh of battery capacity, and it can be charged using the magnetic charger provided in the box, and it will take around 2 to 3 hours to fully charge from 0% depending on the charger you are using. I would recommend you to use a wall charger instead of your laptop port or a power bank to charge it quickly. They have advertised that it can give you 5 to 7 days on normal usage and 25 days on standby. If I talk about my personal experience, I've been working on this video for about 30 to 35 minutes now, in which it has only lost 3% of the battery, which is really impressive. And according to that, in my opinion, even with the screen off dial enabled, it can give you around 4 to 5 days of battery life. So what do you think about it? To place an order, you can find the links given in the description box, and I would really appreciate if you can use those links to purchase the smartwatch. You can also visit the channel for more videos like this. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for the future videos. I will catch you in the next one. Until next time, this is iMAT. Peace.